As the first gentle whispers of winter drift through the air, imagine stepping into a home where Christmas doesn't rely on extravagance, but instead on creativity, warmth, and heartfelt intention. A space softly illuminated by golden fairy lights, where every handmade ornament carries a memory, and every simple detail tells a story crafted by your own hands. Picture a cozy room where recycled materials transform into art, where natural greenery breathes life into corners, where the glow of candles reflects quietly off rustic glass jars, and where the atmosphere radiates comfort, even on the smallest budget. This is the world of budget-friendly Christmas decor for 2025, a world where imagination becomes the greatest tool you own. Here, the magic of the season is not defined by price tags or luxurious purchases, but by the personal touches, the thoughtful creations, and the intimate warmth that makes a home feel truly festive. It's a holiday where simplicity becomes beautiful, where resourcefulness becomes inspiring, and where the spirit of Christmas shines brighter than ever before. Today, we journey through the heart of this vision. Through ideas that spark creativity, through decorations anyone can make, and through scenes brought to life with textures, lights, colors, and emotion. Let these visuals guide you, let them inspire you, to create Christmas charm that is not only affordable, but unforgettable. 1. DIY Christmas ornaments from recycled materials. Imagine sitting at a small wooden table, surrounded by everyday objects that most people overlook: bottle caps saved from the kitchen, scraps of fabric once destined for the trash, twine wound loosely into bundles, pages from old books, bits of ribbon left from years past. Under the soft glow of warm fairy lights, these simple items begin to change. You paint the bottle caps in soft winter whites, pastel blues, shimmering silvers. You cut fabric into delicate shapes: stars, hearts, tiny trees, each stitched with intention. You wrap twine carefully around hand-painted spheres, giving them rustic charm that feels both timeless and new. As each ornament takes shape, the room fills with quiet joy. These are not just decorations. They are memories in the making, little pieces of art crafted with your own hands. Each one brings character, uniqueness, and a sense of warmth to your tree. In a world filled with mass-produced decor, these recycled ornaments stand out, glowing with authenticity and heart. 2. Natural decor with pine cones and greenery. Now step into a world shaped by nature. Imagine holding pine cones gathered from the forest floor, each one uniquely textured and perfectly imperfect. You dust their edges with white paint to mimic a gentle snowfall, then arrange them on a wooden tray with sprigs of cedar, eucalyptus leaves, and small branches. The scent of fresh greenery fills the room, earthy, crisp, reminiscent of winter forests. You weave strands of natural vines into rustic garlands that drape softly across shelves. You place branches inside simple vases, letting them stand tall like miniature winter trees. The effect is calming, grounding, and beautifully organic. This is Christmas decor in its purest form: simple, elegant, and astonishingly affordable. A reminder that nature offers beauty more abundant and inspiring than anything you can buy. 3. Budget-friendly string light arrangements. Imagine the entire room wrapped in the gentle glow of inexpensive string lights. They outline windows with soft golden edges, spill across shelves like twinkling waterfalls, or fill clear glass jars with shimmering warmth. The lights reflect off surfaces, creating tiny constellations scattered throughout your home. They turn shadows into soft whispers, and cold winter nights into moments of quiet enchantment. You place a few strands behind sheer curtains, transforming your windows into glowing canvases. You let lights trail along stair railings, around mirrors, above doorways, each placement simple, intentional, beautiful. These lights cost almost nothing, yet they bring immeasurable warmth, filling your home with a sense of peace and wonder. 4. Wrapping paper as wall art. Imagine taking sheets of festive wrapping paper, patterns of deep reds, metallic golds, frosted greens, or whimsical winter illustrations, and framing them like artwork. You hang them on the wall in a neat grid, or scatter them asymmetrically for a modern look. Suddenly, an empty wall becomes a vibrant holiday display. The colors pop under soft lighting, transforming inexpensive paper into sophisticated decor. You can change them each year, each week, or even each day, because the beauty of this idea lies in its simplicity and its cost. These temporary art pieces bring style, charm, and personality to your home without the need for expensive prints or frames. A true celebration of creativity over cost. Five. Thrift store Christmas decor treasures. Now imagine walking through the aisles of a thrift store, running your fingers across forgotten holiday items waiting for a second life. A vintage ceramic Santa with faded paint. A wooden reindeer figurine carved decades ago. Golden candle holders with intricate floral patterns. A box of ornaments from the 1980s, each one telling a story of celebrations past. With just a little cleaning, or a fresh coat of paint, these treasures become centerpieces of your holiday decor. Their vintage character brings warmth, nostalgia, and authenticity that modern store-bought items often lack. Decorating with thrifted pieces is like collecting fragments of history and bringing them into your home, allowing old beauty to shine again. Six. DIY Christmas pillows and repurposed sweater blankets. Picture yourself transforming old sweaters into cozy pillow covers. Thick cable knit textures, soft wool patterns, and warm colors create the perfect winter aesthetic. You pair them with thrown blankets made from repurposed fabric, warm reds, deep greens, cream-colored knits. As you place them on the sofa, the room instantly feels cozier. The atmosphere shifts, more intimate, more comforting, more inviting. These items, crafted with your own hands, bring a sense of home that money simply can't buy. Seven. Minimalist paper snowflakes and origami decor. Now imagine a backdrop of floating paper snowflakes, each one intricately cut and unique. They hang from invisible threads, swaying gently in the winter air. Around them, origami stars unfold in geometric precision, crisp lines, perfect folds, minimalist elegance. White paper becomes art. It becomes atmosphere. It becomes a winter wonderland without clutter, without cost, without excess. Minimalist, clean, modern, and breathtakingly beautiful. Eight. Warm candle displays and holiday aromas. Picture candles grouped in clusters on a wooden tray. Some tall, some short, some inside glass lanterns, each one glowing with a soft amber flame. You scatter cinnamon sticks, dried orange slices, cloves, and pine sprigs around them, creating a Christmas scent that fills the room. The flickering light dances gently across the walls, casting warm shadows that shift like tiny flames of memory. These candles bring serenity, grounding, and calm to your holiday atmosphere, proof that warmth comes not from grand decoration, but from gentle light and simple touches. 9. Upcycled mason jars and bottles. Imagine a row of mason jars sitting proudly on your table, some holding fairy lights, others filled with faux snow or evergreen sprigs. Old bottles cleaned and polished become elegant vases or candle holders. The soft reflections of light bouncing off the glass create magical glimmers across your space. What was once considered trash becomes treasure, beautiful, charming, and wonderfully festive. Handmade Christmas wreath. Finally, picture yourself crafting a Christmas wreath from affordable greenery, shaped gently into a circle and tied with simple ribbon. You add small ornaments, dried oranges, pine cones, whatever you have on hand. The finished wreath, imperfect yet full of character, becomes a symbol of the season, a welcoming greeting for every guest who enters your home. It is handmade. It is heartfelt. And it captures the essence of Christmas spirit beautifully. And now, step back and take in the room you've created. Filled with warmth. Filled with meaning. Filled with the quiet magic that only handmade holiday decor can bring. Each light, each ornament, each decoration, crafted with intention, shaped by creativity, and built from simple materials, comes together to form a home that glows with authenticity. This is the true beauty of Christmas on a budget. A celebration not of spending, but of imagining. Not of perfection, but of presence. Not of luxury, but of love. With soft candles flickering, natural greenery breathing life into your space, and handmade accents telling stories of your own creation, you discover something powerful. The most magical Christmas is not the most expensive, it's the most meaningful. Let your home shine with creativity. Let your decorations reflect your spirit. And let this season remind you that beauty can be born from the simplest things.